Welcome to the Zoobilee Zoo Archives Saturday mornings at the zoo presentation. Today we are featuring episode, Without a Sound. Happy Saturday and enjoy the show.
So many ways to walk and run. There's more than one way, and it's a fun way. There's more than one way to go.
Everyone up, everyone in. Time for the fun to begin. Come along with us to Zoobilee Zoo. Zoobilee Zoo. Magic and wonder are waiting for you. It's as close as a dream and as bright as the brightest blue. Welcome to Zoobilee Zoo. Let's introduce the Zoobles to you.
I'm Mayor Ben. I'm here to lend a helping hand.
I'm Bill Beaver. I'm the things on command. There's daring and adventure when lookout comes to call.
And a kangaroo named Woody who puts music to it all.
My name is Ben Go. Just fun and fun. And you will shout bravo once the show has begun.
Everyone, spread the news. There'll be so much to see and do. Just see all the do.
When you're in Zoobilee Zoo, Zoobilee Zoo, magic and wonder are waiting for you. So come on with us now and discover you. Welcome to Zoobilee Zoo.
No, he didn't. Yes, he did. Oh, hi, Subarus. Say, today we have a very special story for you. Yes, you see, it all started when a little Zooble wandered in to Bravo's theater while he was doing a comedy. Well, you know what a comedy is, don't you? Of course you do. That's when someone does something funny to make you laugh. That's a comedy. Yes. Well, now we all know we always laugh with Bravo. But this little Zooble isn't laughing, and Bravo doesn't know why. So come, let's see if we can find out. Come along.
So he said, no, that's my banana. My banana. Get it? Thank you, thank you. Well, sounds like you're all having a good time. All except for that little Zooble in the front row. You haven't laughed at any of my jokes. What's the matter? Don't you like jokes? You know what a joke is, don't you? It's when I stand on one leg like this and I say, why does a stork stand on one leg? And you say, I don't know. And I say, because if he lifts the other leg, he'll fall down. Okay? He'll fall down. When I was a little fox, my mother would come into the cave and tuck me in with a blanket. Well, now it's a modern day and age, isn't it? So I imagine she'd probably come in and just plug me in. Plug me in, get it? Seriously, folks. That little Zooble did not laugh once. Not once.
Oh, don't be silly, Bravo. Maybe he just doesn't like to laugh.
Oh, was that everyone likes to laugh?
Well, gee, I don't know. Maybe he just heard your jokes before.
Never! Never! Why, those are all brand new jokes that I just wrote for my show. No, it was that here. Yeah, not like that. See, you gotta put your hands inside the puppet, and your hands make the puppet talk.
Oh, like
See?
that.
Right, like that. I must make that little Zooble laugh if it's the last thing I do, or I will not be known as Bravo Fox, the world's greatest comedian.
Oh, don't be silly, Bravo. You can't please everyone, you know.
Still in all, you know.
Come in here. Look, I found him. And boy, is he ever shy. He won't even talk to me.
Oh, well, there's no need to be shy, little Zooble. You remember me, don't you? I'm Bravo Fox, that big old funny fox. And actor to the very core is Bravo the Box. The one the theater's waiting for is Bravo the Box. Just watch me in a drama, giving everything I've got. He's a master of pretending he's someone he is not. And when they drop the curtains and the evening is complete, I'll take my final bows and you'll be on your feet, yelling bravos, big bravos, for Bravo the Fox. What are you doing with your hair? What's he doing with his hands?
Oh, I don't know. He looks afraid.
Well, there's no need to be afraid, little Zooble. You see, this is Lookout Bear, and this is Was-That Kangaroo.
Wow, why doesn't he talk to us?
Well, he isn't very friendly.
Oh, now maybe his mommy told him not to talk to strangers. That's a good idea, you know.
Well, maybe he doesn't like us. Maybe he doesn't want to talk to us.
Oh, yeah, you know, I remember a girl in my school who I didn't like too much because, well, she never talked to me.
Oh, gee, I know what it is. I'll bet he speaks another language and he can't understand us.
Of course, that must be it. That's why he didn't laugh at any of my jokes. He didn't understand them. You see, I'm far too funny.
Well, don't you think that he would say something to us in his own language?
Oh, I guess he's just too frightened.
Poor thing. He's too frightened. We've got to show him that we're his friends. I know. Look out. Why don't you do that somersault routine, you know, with the big finish?
Okay, I'll do it.
All right.
Hey, watch this. I think you'll love this.
Here we go. Alley-oop.
Oh, he loved it. Look, he knows how to laugh.
I have an idea.
What?
I have a great idea. Here. Cookie. Oh, see? Look, he likes cookies.
Huh?
I wish I knew what he was doing with his hands.
Yeah, me too.
What's the matter, little Zooble? You don't like my music? Oh, gosh. I wish I knew what you were doing with your hands all the time. Oh, I really want to be your friend. Oh, well. I'll try again. La, 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 la. La, la, la. La, 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 la. Oh, I understand. Little Zooble, you can't hear. That's what it is. You were touching my guitar with your hand because you could feel it shake and you could feel the music coming through it. Oh, little Zooble. Oh, I understand. That's why you never answered us. Oh, my poor little Zooble. So you see, he's deaf. He can't hear us.
Oh, and we thought he didn't like us. Boy, were we wrong.
That's why he didn't laugh at any of your jokes, Bravo, and why he doesn't answer us.
Oh, well, you mean he can't talk either?
No, you see, when children are deaf, they don't always know how to talk.
Yeah, they learn to talk by hearing the sounds.
Yes, that's right.
Oh, well, I feel terrible. I got upset with him because he didn't laugh at any of my jokes. Imagine how he feels, being left out of everything.
Hey, well, he's a lively enough, Zooble. Hi. Looks like he knows how to have fun.
Oh, what a nice young Zooble. Hello, my name is Talkatoo. What's yours?
Talkatoo, he's deaf. He's a deaf Zooble. He can't hear you.
Oh. Well. talk sign language. Isn't that wonderful?
Well, wait a minute. What's sign language?
Well, it's the way you talk to anyone who's deaf, using your hands.
Wow, so that's what he's always doing with his hands.
Yes. You see, there's a lot of Zoobles who are deaf. Young Zoobles and old Zoobles. And they talk by saying the words with their hands. It's called signing or sign language.
Wow. It's almost like playing a game.
Oh, yes. It's a lot of fun. It really is. And once you learn how to talk in sign language, you can talk to any Zooble who can't hear. Yes. Of course, they've got to know how to sign, too, you see. What?
What's he saying?
Well,
Yeah, what's he doing?
Oh, look.
oh.
That's the mouth of the crab.
Baseball man.
Oh.
Look, he says his name. Vince.
Oh, Vince. Yes. Huh? Oh, that's it. His name is Vince. That's it. Oh, Vince. I can't talk to you, I know that, but I'm going to find out. Oh, this is going to make a wonderful story for my newspaper. Vince teaches the Zoobles how to talk in sign language. Oh, Vince.
Oh, boy, this is going to be fun. Hey, I'm a penguin, watch. I'm a penguin. Whoa! I'm a rabbit. I'm a rabbit.
Well, he may not know what you're trying to say, but he sure thinks you're funny. Here, let me give it a try. I'll teach you how to dance.
Oh, boy. Oh, this is great. Oh, this is fun. This is basic.
You were so busy laughing you didn't even hear the doorbell.
Oh, that's right.
Yeah.
Oh, talkative.
What?
I have never wanted to talk to someone as much as I want to talk to that little Zooble.
Rob, I know how you feel. But we're going to be able to talk to him very soon. Right here, I have a book that is going to teach us everything we want to know about sign language.
Hey, we're going to learn how to talk to you with our hands. With our hands.
Now, the first thing we have to do is decide what we want to say to him.
Yeah. Well, let's take a looky here.
Oh, okay.
Oh, here's an easy one. It's hello.
Uh-huh.
You go like that.
Hello.
That.
Hello.
A, B.
Hey, you know what? I think we should learn how to say to him not to be afraid.
You know, it'd be fun to say to him, ow. We could say, I am your friend.
Oh, that's good. That's good. It's simple. It shows him that we like him and that if he has friends, he doesn't have to be afraid.
Oh, I think that's a perfect first thing to say to him.
Wait a second. There you go.
Thanks. Let me just see. Oh, yes, that's going to be easy. Now just pay careful attention, all right?
All right.
The first thing we're going to sign is I am your friend, okay? Now the first word is I. Hold up your first finger like this and point to your chest, okay? I. I. Say I. Good, okay? Now the second word is am. Take up your thumb like this, put it to your chin, pull it out. Am. Am.
This is
Okay.
fun
Yes,
already.
All right, now the third word is your. Okay? Take your hand with a flat palm here. No, flat, Bill, like that.
Oh, flat.
That's good.
Flat.
Flat. Okay? Now, push it towards him. That word is your. Your. Okay? And the very, very last word is friend. Now, you take your two fingers like this, and you hook them around each other. Oh, no, that's too much. Look out. Just a little bit like that.
That was too much.
That's perfect, okay? That's friend.
Friend.
Friend. Cross it like that. Good. All right, now all together. All together, okay? I am
Your friend.
Isn't that listen, a great big smile from everyone. That's very, very important. We have to tell whether you're happy or sad, and we're happy, okay? Okay, I am your friend. I am your friend.
Again. I want to do it.
I am your friend.
That's it.
I am your friend.
Okay, Bill, people make mistakes.
Oh, I'll get it.
Talking to, it was wonderful. We did it. We talked to him.
You did? Oh! Then it's my turn, isn't it? Okay. Ready? Good. I am your friend.
I don't know about the rest of you, but I'm gonna learn more sign language.
Oh, me too.
Say, wait a minute. I have an absolutely stupendous idea. We can put on a show at my theater. We'll call it Mother Goose Day, and we'll all sign for the Zoobles who can't hear.
Yeah.
Oh, that's a great idea. We'll do it. We'll all learn how to sign nursery rhymes.
Yes.
Oh, boy, that's a zooberific idea. Because now kids who have never even heard a nursery rhyme can learn them.
Oh, bravo! It's a brilliant idea! Oh, come on! Come over here! Good! There's more than one way to talk, to say what you feel, to say whatever inner thought you'd like to reveal.
Talk with your eyes, the look on your face, or even with your hands and fingers moving into space. Like, look, there's a tree.
Or look, there's a sun! Or look,
There are children playing, having lots of fun.
here's a bird, a pretty sky of blue.
Gee, it's fun just chatting with a friend or two. There are so many ways to walk and run. There's more than one way, and it's a fun way. There's more than one way to talk.
Thank you one and all, and welcome to Mother Goose Day here at Zoobilee Zoo. We would like to do a nursery rhyme for you right now, entitled Humpty Dumpty. Humpty Dumpty sat on a wall.
Humpty Dumpty had a great fall.
All the king's horses, brum, brum, and all the king's men
Couldn't
Put
Humpty
together
again.
What is it?
He said that he enjoyed your nursery rhyme. He says he wants me to tell you that we have a song and he's going to sing it.
I'm my lookout. I'm sitting on my lookout.
This is my lookout.
Marvelous. Now, in case anyone missed it, I would like it known that I, Bravo Fox, made Vince laugh.
Wow. I told you, this was gonna be a very special show. And now that all you Zoobaroos know how easy it is to sign, the next time you meet Zoobaroos who are deaf, you can sign that you are their friend. And it'll make them feel good all over. Whoa! You see, deaf Zoobaroos are the same as everybody else. They just can't hear. Oh, by the way, I learned something very special today myself. See you next time, Zoobaroos.
Zoobilee Zoo, magic and wonder are waiting for you.
It's as close as a dream.
And the bright is blue.